Peace and love, Soul Tribe. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing one of my favorite techniques known as EFT Tapping, which stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. So we're going to be sending some signals to the amygdala to allow ourselves to feel calm and to feel that we are in a safe space. So go ahead and find a comfortable seat, sitting up nice and tall, utilizing any extra props. Coming into your breath, quieting the mind as you breathe in through the nose, and as you exhale, find something to let go of. In this moment, here and now, you are safe. There is nothing for you to fear. You are not under any type of attack. Just continue to take some breaths here, and then we'll get started with our EFT tapping. So what's going to happen is we'll start off with tapping the sides of the palms. So you're doing kind of a karate chop motion. You can use 2 fingers or all 4 fingers. And you're doing some very light taps, alternating on each hand. And then let's go ahead and move to inside of our eyebrows. Again, light taps using our peace fingers. You can move your way around and then going to the outside of the eyes. Again, make some light taps. Coming down right under the eyebrows, finding that bony part under the eyes. And then moving to right under the nose. You can take one hand to lightly tap right under the nostrils. And then moving under the lip in between the chin and the bottom lip. Light taps here. Making our way to right under the collarbones. You can use all 10 fingers if you'd like. And then we're going to tap under the arm. So right at the top of the ribs. And then tapping to the other side. And then pausing for a moment. Just settling back into your breath. Take a moment to just center yourself. Slowly open the eyes whenever you're ready. And then we are going to do another cycle here. Let's begin. Starting with one hand, lightly tapping. And then again, alternating sides, tapping the other side of the hand. Transitioning to the inside of your eyebrows. And just repeat, I am safe here. I am safe here. Moving to the outside of the eyes. I am protected. I am protected. Moving right under the eyes. Everything that is happening here and now is meant to be. Slowly transitioning under the nose. Even in the midst of my fear, everything is going to be okay. Moving under the lip. I feel safe here. Transitioning to under the collarbones. I can overcome this fear or anxiety. Moving to the arms. I am safe here. Other arm. Everything is going to be all right. Slowly bring the hands back down. Taking a few breaths. And just being grateful for taking the time for this practice. Love and light to all of you beautiful souls. Until we meet again. Ashe.